Hi guys, and welcome to my video. This is my FabFitFun edit sale research video. Basically, what I do in this video is I find every single item in a FabFitFun add-on or edit sale. For this, it is our Spring 2020 edit sale, and I read as many reviews as my brain can read, and I look at ingredients, and then I check the prices that I find that particular product for on Google Shopping. So there's a bunch of prices available, and I just check all of them to make sure that FabFitFun is the lowest price. I then take all of that information, put it in a ginormous document, and then I read that document on camera and edit a video out of it. Usually it is, in the past it's been one video, and it's usually like an hour long or 40 minutes long or something pretty crazy. I try to break it down as much as possible. This time I'm trying something different, and I'm gonna do it by category. So each video is going to be its own category. They're all gonna have this same intro, so you're gonna hear this little spiel every single time, and then it'll go into whatever that video's category is. So the 5 categories are bath and body, cosmetics, hair care, skincare, and then I'm gonna have a 5th video. I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna put in that video. As always, I do not review any of the bundles because they usually contain multiple brands, and most of those brands are in the edit sale anyways. I don't review anything that is your personal taste, such as clothing or jewelry or home decor. The reviews on that are gonna just be based on what people like or don't like, and everybody likes different things. And I don't review anything that is a FabFitFun in-house brand. So that's Ish, XO Sienna, Summer and Rose, Chic and Tonic. I don't review any of those things. There's usually not enough reviews out there, and you can only really find them on that one site, which is the FabFitFun in-house site. Another thing that I'm gonna do a little bit different this time is normally I say, here's the price, here's the lowest price, here's where I found it. And this time I feel like I'm just gonna cut all of that out and type it. If the only price I found is retail price, you won't even see a price up there. But if there is a price other than retail, whether that's more, which sometimes happens for some reason, or less, it will be posted, and then the site will be listed underneath. If for some reason it is lower than the FabFitFun price, I'll put like a little warning or make it a different color or something like that just to let you know. And then that link to where I found the lower price will be down in the description. Everything is in alphabetical order, A through Z, but by company, not by product. So if I have a Hava blue serum and a Hava green serum, green might be before blue. I didn't really organize it in that way, so that would be alphabetical, but all of a Hava would be at the beginning of the video with the A's. Hopefully all these videos end up short, but let's go. This is the bath and body video. The first product is African Botanics Revitalizing Therapy Gel. It has a 4.3 star rating with 26 reviews. Positives, mostly that it's really moisturizing. Negatives, someone did call it slightly greasy, but most of the negatives were that they didn't like the smell. The next product is a Hava Natural Dead Sea Bath Salt. This has a 4.5 star rating with 56 reviews. Negatives were that it had no scent or that they didn't like the price tag. The positives were that they got soft skin afterwards. The next product is the Hava Water Body Kit. This did not have enough reviews. The next product is the Aloe Up White Line Sunscreen Lotion. This has a 4.2 star rating with 10 reviews. Only 2 of the reviews were negative, but both those negatives were about the ingredient. The next product is Bios Apothecary Rose Bath Oil. This has a 3.6 star rating with 16 reviews. They said that it was luxurious or that people liked the scent. However, some of the negatives say that there was not enough of the rose scent. Some said that rose pieces inside of it were clogging the drain, or that it was not worth the price because it got used up too quickly. The next product is Black Body Scrub, and this did not have enough reviews. The next product is Busy Beauty Showerless Shave Gel, and I could not find enough reviews. The next product is the Cali Cosmetics Volcano Hand Cream, and I could not find enough reviews. The next company is the Catherine Malandrino Style de Paris gift set, and this had a 4.5 star rating with 53 reviews. This scent is described as feminine, classy, classic, light, and sweet. The next company is the Cotton Halo Company Amazing Grace Bath Bomb Trio. I could not find enough reviews on this either. They had a really cool story though. It was a small business in Arkansas, and the lady's a nurse and then wasn't really liking what she was finding in the ingredients of bath bombs, so she started her own company after she had like family loss. So it's kind of cool to support a small business like that, and that a small business like that is in our edit sale. Next we have Daily Concepts Body Towel Wrap, and that did not have enough reviews. For the Daily Concepts Body Kit, same thing, not enough reviews online. And the Daily Concepts Mesh Sponge, again, not enough reviews online. For the Daily Concepts Your Back Scrubber, this one had a 4.5 star rating with 42 reviews, and the review said that it's really good for acne, it's really good for exfoliating, and it's easy to use. Then for the Gaia by Neon & Co. Pearl Illusion Body Cream, there were not enough reviews available. For the Grace and Stella Bath Bomb Set, I did find reviews, but it was for their 12-piece set instead of their 4-piece set, but I figured it would be about the same. This is a 4.5 star rating with 81 reviews, and most of them said that they loved how it was packaged, it was very cute, or they really liked the scent of the bath bombs. For the Green Goo Dry Skin Large Tin, the negatives are that it smells like chicken, and I've said this before because it's come up in other sales. I don't know if that means it smells like cooked chicken or raw chicken or like actual live chickens, but that was the most common complaint. The positives were that it helps relieve rash symptoms, that it was good for eczema, or that it was really moisturizing. The next product is the Grown Alchemist Purifying Body Exfoliant, and this had 4.7 star rating with 10 reviews. All of them were really positive. There was nothing really that stood out. Then for the Harper & Ari Lotion Bundle, so I didn't find this exact set, but I did find each scent individually, the 12-ounce version of that scent. And for those products together, they had a 4.8 star rating with 10 reviews, and most of the positives were that the scent was really nice. Then we have the Hey Honey Walk the Walk Foot and Heel Cream. This had a 4.9 star rating with 34 reviewers, mostly positive, a lot about the scent, and that it works for cracked hands and heels. The next one is the Habanera Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. This had a 3.9 star rating with 91 reviews. So most of the positives on this one are that it was moisturizing and that it feels like it's an all-natural product, like they could tell it was an all-natural product. For the negatives, it's that it's really messy or really hard to apply. For the same company, in the Hawaiian Black Lava Body Oil, I could not find enough reviews. For the Coors Jasmine Body Butter, it has a 4.4 star rating with 2,145 reviews, and mostly said that the fruity scent was nice and it absorbs well and it moisturizes really well. However, for the Coors Jasmine Shower Gel, I only found the larger bottle. I couldn't find this smaller size, but this had a 4.3 star rating, 918 reviews. The scent here was mentioned as being too strong, so it should be the same scent as the body butter, but this one they said it was too strong in a lot of the reviews. The next one is from Level Naturals. This is the Lavender Chamomile Body Polish and Bath Bomb Duo, and I could not find enough reviews. The next one is the Manicadar Sea Mineral Pomegranate Renewing Body Wash, and on this one I also could not find enough reviews. For the mer-sea Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar, this had a 4.6 star rating, 55 reviewers. Most of the positives are about the scent and the moisture, and then there were a few negatives about the product having a residue or not fully absorbing. The next product is Mind Tan Illuminating Rosewater Tan Mist for face and body. This one I could not find enough reviews. For the Mind Tan Workout Ready Outdoor Tan Oil, I also could not find enough reviews. Next we have the Misha Best Sellers Kit, and this had a 4.6 star rating with 14 reviews. Mostly positive about the scent, the results, and how good of a value the set was. Then we have the Ofra Red Carpet Color, and this has a 4.7 star rating with 19 reviews. This is waterproof, it's great for wedding day. They said it doesn't streak or fade, it has a shimmery glow to it. Some people did not like the shimmer. It is kind of glittery, and so that was what the negatives were mostly about. Then we have the Parasilk Exfoliating Spot Foot Peel. This did not have enough reviews. Then we have the Perlisi Candy Johnson Luscious Body Collection. I've talked about this in, I feel like, every add-on and edit sale. And this has a 4-star rating with 17 reviews. A lot of positive reviews about the smell. For some reason, there's always some negative reviews about the lotion, not the rest of the products. There's also some negatives about the product sizes being small for the $20 value. The next one we have is the Revivaderm Reviviscar Stretch Mark and Scar Cream. This had a 3.3-star rating with 34 reviews. The reason why it has a negative score, it's not really negative, but like average score, is because a lot of people were posting that they didn't see any results. For the Spongel Tobacco Vanilla, I could not find enough reviews. But overall, Spongels in general have pretty good reviews. For the Spongel Summer and Rose, again, I did not find enough reviews. And again, mostly Spongel does get pretty good reviews. For the Spongel's Coconut Verbena, this had a 4.5-star rating with 62 reviewers. A lot of people said that they loved the lather, how easy they're to use. For some reason on this one though, there was a lot of negatives about the smell, and they were saying that they wish it was just coconut and the combo wasn't really the best. Next we have the Lifestyle Co. Luxe Tanning Body Oil, and I could not find enough reviews. For the Organic Pharmacy Detox Body Oil, it was a 4.3-star rating with 16 reviews. A lot of people said they were using it as a dry brushing oil, and some saw a difference, others said this is just oil and it's overpriced. For the Wish Beauty Bourbon Vanilla Duo, I could not find enough reviews. And for the Wish Beauty Pink Champagne Hand Set, I could not find enough reviews. The Wish Beauty Vanilla Mint Body Oil and Body Butter, I could not find that as a set. I only found them as individual items. And the same thing for the Wish Beauty Winter Berry Body Oil and Body Butter gift set. The last item is the Yanisi Beauty Organic Body Butter, and I could not find enough reviews on this as well. Thank you so much for watching. Tune into the next video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!